Truck inspections can be a frustrating, time-consuming, and costly process. Your ISS score can determine how often those inspections occur. Keep your score in the green, and those trucks keep on moving. Let your score dip into yellow or red, and your drivers could be in for a long day. Now with MC Advantage's Repair Button feature, you can avoid the headache of inspections altogether. The dashboard overview provides a snapshot of your various ratings, scores, violations, crashes, and inspections. Your ISS score is front and center, and with one click, you can see exactly which areas you need improvement in and get a straightforward plan of action as to how to address the problem areas to improve your score and keep your trucks on the road. Lower your ISS score and build a better fleet today. With the MC Advantage Repair Button, safety is only one click away.